Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So kids are on vacation, and sometimes I don't know if I'm the only one who goes through this struggle on what to prepare for them for breakfast. So today I made this delicious breakfast for them and decided to share with you all. So stay tuned with me and let's do this. I started by slicing my bread into two equal parts. So I got this 4 pairs and I'm going to slice away the side from it. And don't worry, this side can be used for breadcrumbs. You don't need to worry about wasting it away. We can use it for breadcrumbs and I'll be showing it to you all very soon. I'm going to be doing this to all of these 4 pairs that I have, and when we are done we are going to move to the next thing. So please don't forget to like this if you find it useful. Now the next thing is that we are using the sausages. We are going to slice this into 2 equal parts, that's half, and we have so many here, so we are going to slice all of it. When we are done, I'm going to sprinkle this with some black pepper and some parsley. And if you don't have any of this, please do not worry, you can simply use salt or even nothing and you still get the same quality and the best as I got mine. So I'll go ahead and simply massage the spices into the sausages, and while this is going on, I have my oil in the fry pan heated, and so when we are done, I'm just going to gently drop this into the oil and fry the sausages very well. I'm going to fry all of these parts and then turn it to the other side and also fry it as well. Please, if you find this very useful, you may just try to hit the like button or even subscribe to me. I'll be very grateful, because trust me, if I see an addition subscriber, I get so happy, and I really thank you guys and pray for you guys. So I'm really happy when you guys do this. Thank you so much as you like and subscribe. So this is ready, and this is what we got. Look at it, how it's looking so good and juicy. The next thing to do is to add the cheese and the sausages to the bread, and I'm going to be doing this to all 4 pairs. Okay, cover it up and then leave it. I'll make sure while this is going on, I have some fry pan and some oil on fire. You may choose to use some margarine or some butter to do what I'm going to be doing. So when this is ready, I'm just going to be tossing this onto my fry pan, and I'll use the potato masher or whatever it is called, or anything available to you, just to compress this and make sure the heat is going through the bread and heating up the cheese and all of that. Trust me, this is very beautiful. And you may just use the toaster, because I think it's faster and easier for those who want to use it, because I decided to use this method just to be able to control the heat that I get. So this is what I got, and look at how beautiful this is looking. I'm going to be doing this to all of this, and trust when I said that after preparing this meal, I was shocked. I was so shocked. The kids love it, they enjoyed it. I was actually very shocked, yes, because these are some of the things that they don't really like. Yeah, and then when to just look at everything, it looks so beautiful. I wish I could just tell you how crispy this was. It was so good, and look at it. I just cut into half, and look at how beautiful the cheese is looking, the sausage is looking, and this is a must. Like, you need to try this for your kids. Trust me, they are going to love it. They will enjoy every bit of it. I decided to combine this with some hot chocolate drink for them, and they still love everything. So please don't forget to like it, just don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to share it to your friends and loved ones, those who are struggling with what to prepare for their kids, like I did, because I actually go through that a lot. Sometimes I wake up, I don't know what to prepare for the kids. So yeah, you may choose to use this method or just try this recipe for them for one time, and then thank me later. So this is my meal, and I love everything. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for always checking my video up and subscribing. I really love you. Till we meet in the next video. Thank you and bye.